Welcome back to our travel series to Ureshino and Saga Prefecture. Today we will tour a sake factory, make tatami, and explore a ceramics village.
We are serving sweet sake, but it is okay to drink that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are like the award-winning sakes of the area. Has to grow. A really nice walk down side streets. They're having sake festival, and I guess these are all the sake houses. We came from that direction. Nice little path in between to go visit different places. Wanna look? Oh. Oh, it's just oh. No. Next, we travel back to Shiotatsu, where we enjoy the soba noodles we made the day before. Yeah, you made them. You made the dough. And then that's your plate, and then this is the tea, and those are the noodles. This is for Julie and for Daddy. You made so much noodles.
Wow, this is cool.
So beautiful. I know. Some things take a lot of time. And I was looking at the schedule, and then I was like, wait, the time is so much later. But that's good. It's okay.
You know how it is.
So many
You
things
don't
to
do
try.
things unless people come out, right?
It's nice. Wow, look at this place. This is so cool.
Never do it. Get up. Oh, this is pottery.
This is so beautiful. I think sometimes maybe Japanese don't, they see the same house a lot. They think, oh, this is regular, not so special.
Right.
But foreigners were like, oh, so pretty, konnichiwa.
History.
Yeah.
Very old. Wow.
No. Next night.
Music notes. Oven at the pottery place. We're kind of sneaking in here. It's so huge. You can walk in here. It's actually making me really nervous. I think I'm in a giant oven. And then this is where they put the pottery. Oh my gosh, this is insane. And you can walk out the other side. I don't want to lose everybody. But this is a pottery factory. You can come paint to actually paint the blue vases and things like that. And so this is a neat little ceramics place to show you how they used to do it. There's a little demonstration area, well, not demonstration, but a place that showed how they used to crush the clay and the rocks to make. I'm not very good at talking and walking, am I? Oh yeah, so some people were painting. Daddy painted, or Nick painted one of those koi fish, and then here's like an example of coloring. We did a coloring on our plates and our mugs. And here's just some examples of different pottery that they make here. It's really beautiful. But we had a lot of fun, and I highly recommend coming and trying this. It's open till 5 o'clock. It's very beautiful.